Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to clean and lubricate trunk, hatch, or hood struts. These struts can wear out over time and will eventually require a replacement. Replacements are required when the struts are no longer able to hold up the trunk, hatch, or hood. Replacements aren't usually overly expensive, but you can prolong their life with a small amount of maintenance and even smoothen their operation. When my hatch is open for extended periods of time, the seals will squeak. There may be dust in the seals or they can be a bit dry. Use a damp cloth, give the struts a wipe down, removing any dust or dirt. These struts are a closed unit, so nothing can be done about the pressure inside, only the seals can be lubricated. You can skip this step, but while we're here, a bit of extra maintenance can be done. Using a standard screwdriver, you can pop down the clips on the struts, then remove the strut from the ball pivot. With only one strut connected, the hatch will most likely come down. I'm using my head to hold it up, or you may use something to prop the hatch or have an extra helping hand. Then pop the strut off the pivot on the hatch portion. There will most likely be old lubricant and dirt inside that ball pivot, like I have here. Use a degreaser to clean this from the strut side. Here I'm using a cleaner from Keg Laboratories Value series, which can be used on electronic and mechanical components. The model number for this is DDW-V611. This product evaporates fast and will help clean the surface of any grease, oil, or dirt. Then finish up using a cloth, clean the inside of the ball pivot. Once clean, here you're able to see the inside. I have slid the clip back into place, and as you can see, the old grease and dirt has been removed. Going back on the car, clean the pivot points using a rag. A degreaser can be used here if you have a little tougher cleanup. Using Deoxit's L260D grease, this is great for any mechanical applications as it's infused with their D100L, which helps dissolve and prevent corrosion on metals or alloy surfaces while providing a strong bond. It's resistant against heat, wear, water, and oxidization. Snap the strut back into place. For the shaft side of the strut, while the inside of the shock won't be affected, this will at least help the operation of the seals and reduce wear. This will certainly quiet them down if they are squeaking too. Using Deoxit's X10S precision lubricant, which can be used on metals, rubbers, and plastics, this is a fine instrument oil which doesn't gum up, has rust inhibiting qualities, has a long life, and the needle makes for easy applications. Apply a couple drops. This may require a couple applications after operating the strut. Use your finger to help smear over the surface for even distribution. Then wipe off any excess lubricant which may be on the rubber boot. Now do the same for the opposite side, first retracting the clips on the pivot points. Remove the strut. Clean the inside of the pivot points and then the ball joints in the vehicle. Apply Deoxit's L260D grease to the ball pivots on the vehicle. Reinstall the strut, ensure those clips are locked into place. Clean the shaft of the strut, removing any dirt. Apply Deoxit's X10S precision lubricant to the strut shafts, spread it around using your finger if needed. Operate the hatch and apply more. Clean away any excess lubricant and you're officially done. You should notice a smooth operation with the function of the struts, and any squeaks which were present will be gone. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.